you?
I used to have more color.
You're not even in my vlog.
And I used to have cancer. I made it. I did.
See, he's making fun of me, guys.
I used to have free rides to chemo and free
Well,
their hospitals.
anyways,
I used to
we are on our way to go eat at a Brazilian place. It's really good. It's kind of like Texas to Brazil, but cheaper. And it's really good. I like it. So we're gonna go there. It's in Hollandale. It's currently 1:30 p.m. on this lovely Sunday evening or afternoon. It's afternoon, right? Yeah. Yeah. I'll show you guys when we get there. It's really nice. It's a cute little place. I just posted my vlog. Finally, I was able to put it up, and I'm trying to put it on my Instagram link, but Instagram is being dumb right now. It's like, try again in a few minutes, and I keep trying again in a few minutes and it doesn't want to save. I will see you guys at Viva de Brazil. No, Viva de Brazil or Viva Brazil. I think it's called Viva Brazil. Yum. You guys, I'm so fucking full right now. I just had one plate. I'm just gonna let it settle, and then I'm going to go for a second. I don't know if I want more meat, but for sure I want more plátano maduro. No, plátano maduro. And the crab salad here is amazing. So good. And my headache is back. The best meat here is called picanha. It's a Brazilian meat. It's so good. If you guys are ever in the Miami area, like in Hollandale or whatever, like Aventura, definitely recommend you guys coming here. It's really good. It's kind of like Texas to Brazil, but cheaper. The only difference is just like the service. They don't come up to you with the meat. You have to get up to get the meat. But honestly, that's not a big deal for me. So yeah, but I like it. Feels so weird. Everybody's staring at me. We're leaving. We're going home now. Oh my god, you guys, I am so full. I can't even breathe right now. Oh my gosh, I am too full. I need to button my pants. Look at the train. It's like a cargo train, right? So what are we gonna do now? Go to Home Depot and do what? Oh, get the screws?
The screws.
For the pantry?
No.
Yeah, we need to get the screws for the pantry. And get what?
The thing for the jacuzzi.
Oh, that one too.
See what this guy's doing? That's what I do.
That's what you do? Let's see. This is what my husband does when he rides his Grom. Skips all the traffic and goes to the top. Shaking my head. Alright guys, we'll see you at Home Depot because I'm just gonna lay here and take a nap. I'm not gonna take a nap, but I'm just gonna be here. We made it to Lowe's. What? Yeah, and they're ugly. Oh my god, I'm so full. I can't even walk. I'm walking like a penguin. Bong, bong, bong. I need one of these carts. That's what I need. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I got the itis big time. Big time. We need to take a nap when we get home. Look, all the Christmas stuff are gone. Oh, the Christmas. I like that tree. That tree's really big and tall. This one's little. Little itty bitty. We need to find number 8 screws that are long for the pantry. The madera? But these are wood too.
Trying to find like a big pack.
Oh. So number 8. Here, number 8. Number 8. 1 half. 1/4. Number 8. 1 3/4. See, I'm a good finder. I love coming to Lowe's. Lowe's is amazing. Look at that. That looks cute. I like that. This right here, look. You can put that like somewhere. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Look, I want a tub like this one. That one looks cute. Hey guys, so we are back home. Finally, it's 4:21 right now. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm really tired, so I want to take a 1-hour nap and then wake up, maybe edit this vlog or study for a little bit. I have to study because tomorrow I have an exam for chemistry, so I have to do like the study guide because he likes to use a lot of the questions from the study guide on the exams, so I have to do that. I have to do that study guide and then continue doing laundry, edit this video, and have it up for you guys today. Well, when you guys will be seeing this on Monday. So what I was thinking about the giveaways, because I want to have enough time for you guys to give you guys enough time for you guys to enter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna post like today's vlog tomorrow at 9 AM and so on and so forth. So I guess will be like a day behind on Vlogmas, which is kind of what I did today. Then tomorrow it'll be Vlogmas number 8, but it'll be December 9. You know what I'm saying? So tomorrow this vlog will go up at 9 AM and that's when the first giveaway will be open, which is today when you guys are seeing it. Right now it is officially open. I need to go take a nap now because I'm really tired. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a 1-hour nap, hopefully. And yeah, I'll see you guys after my nap. So I'm awake, and for the rest of the day I'm just gonna be studying and doing laundry and just, you know, going back and forth, and that's no fun to watch. So I'm gonna leave you guys here, and for this vlog's giveaway I'm going to be giving away the KL Polish Lips and Tips collection with Ofra. So I'm going to be giving away the Miami Fever's KL Polish, Miami Fever KL Polish, along with Havana Nights KL Polish, and also the lippy that comes with it. This is brand new. I have not used it. I have not opened it. It's been like together since I bought it in the box, so everything is completely brand new. The rules to this giveaway is to subscribe to my channel, and in the comment section comment done or subscribed, and that's how I'll know your name. And also, you know, just let me know that you did it. So like that I'm able to like enter your names in the little website thing that I'm gonna do it on. So yeah, that is all you have to do. Please don't cheat, because I am able to check if you did subscribe. Don't just comment subscribed and you didn't, because I am able to check, and if you did that, then you will not be entered. Also, don't forget that this giveaway will also be going on my Wake Up and Polish page, so go check it out on there. You can enter twice. You have the chance to enter twice. So yeah, make sure to check out both things so you have 2 chances to enter, maybe even 3, wink wink. So that is it. I hope you guys like this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh my god, wait, I forgot to tell you, this vlog closes, this giveaway closes on December 11th, so the winner will be announced December 11th. First thing after my intro, you will see the winner for this giveaway. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.